Hey, my Legion, how y'all doing today? I'm here today to review probably the weirdest item on my channel yet. Um, Sunday I went to Carnegiemuseum of Natural History and Modern Art. They had a gift shop. They had a whole bunch of really unusual things there. I mean, regular food items and other stuff. And I decided to be a little weird and get chocolate dipped insects. This is from Hotlix, and it says chocolate has been around since the early 1500s. Insects have crawled to earth and into mouths since the Stone Age. It is said everything tastes better with chocolate. Sensory sensation of a flavorful insect covered with chocolate results in a mouth-watering experience you won't soon forget. I don't know. I mean, I said you only live once. I decided to get it. Now, the gift shop was pretty expensive, but I mean, I had a chance to get this, and, might never have a chance to get this again. This was $3.50. It's pretty expensive, but I had to try it. And insects are crickets and insect larvae. And there are different types of sugar. There's regular different types of chocolate, and white chocolate. So let's open these up. Go ahead and they're in a different container. Pretty expensive. I said you only live once. There's only, I know $3.50 is expensive, but I wanted to try it. I don't know. Go ahead and open these up. I mean, I assume the bigger ones are the crickets and like the skinny ones are the insect larvae. I don't know, man. You get a damn pair of scissors. Hold on. It's, like I said, a very strange video. Let's get a knife. A kniff, as my late father would say. A kniff. Okay, let's open this up. Okay. They smell just like chocolate. Okay. I'm going to try all 5 or 6 pieces on here. Let me put them on a whole thing. I'll try and do the whole thing. Okay. Just for you. Now let's try an insect larvae first. White chocolate insect larvae. Here we go. The insect's right in there. Really weird. Definitely tasted crunchy texture to the insect larvae. It's weird. It doesn't taste that bad though. A little mix of sweet and savory though. Now don't be sending me any bugs to eat. I'm just trying. This is just a one-time thing. See the bottom part right there? Let's try this one out. It don't taste too bad. Try an insect larvae in the regular chocolate. That's a big one right there. Now the only insect I've ever eaten is on the tequila bottle, right? And I tried a cricket. I assume these ones are crickets right here. And I got a feeler, a leg. It was so weird. I'm trying the most menacing looking one. Cricket. It has to be cricket. You see a little Sharpie points out there? By the cricket? That's big. Whoops. Let me open this up. No. Let me see part of the bug. Right there. So strange. Trying the last one. A little feeler leg right there. And it's so weird. It tastes okay. I mean, if someone would have gave you one of these and you weren't paying attention, you just sworn it was like chocolate covered something. I mean, but it's really good. I mean, I have to give Hotlix chocolate dipped insects. Yeah, California says Cal style chocolate. What the hell is it? Chocolate melter. Oh, okay. Like little. You feel like the dry bits. I try. It's really weird. I give these a 8 out of 10. I'm glad I tried them. I don't know if I ever try them again, but they're different. So now I can say I had chocolate covered insects on my channel. So strange, so weird, and not bad. It's from Hotlix. So until next time, everybody, please. Until next time, everybody, please take care. My allegiance. And it said, made in America with genuine insects. Really weird. Take care, everyone.